I'm not in the habit of begging, but on behalf of this community, I'm begging that you sentence this defendant to prison. The message that needs to be sent to this defendant and his circle of friends and anybody who would want to be like this defendant is that if you pick up a gun with the intent to commit violence, you're gonna pick up a 15, 20, 25-year prison sentence.
Sentence you to a term of 25 years in the institutional division. Good morning. Are you Kaden Fontanet? And this is 25 DCCR 1759. Mr. Fontanet was previously entered a plea to the first degree felony offense of aggravated robbery. It was an unagreed plea. I received the pre-sentence. Have you both had an opportunity to review that report?
We have.
Are there any additions or corrections to the report?
Not from the state. Not from the state.
And Mr. Coleman, you said you have a witness or some evidence.
Judge Rojas has graciously stipulated to the admission of the surveillance video, convenience store in question. They need to call my with the court's permission. First of all, I'm offering state's no objection.
Make that states two. One was the plea admonishment documentation, please.
I'm offering states two. No objection.
States two submitted. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Any other evidence? Or witnesses?
Just brief argument.
Any other evidence or witnesses for Mr. Rojas?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Rojas, you may make.
Thank you, Judge. After seeing that video makes what we're asking to harder to do. And what we're here to ask for this morning, Judge, is probation. Mr. Fontanet, he is a young offender. I know the court is tired of seeing the same story over and over with guns in here. He's got a limited criminal history. He's never been on any kind of felony supervision, probation. Unfortunately, he's just fallen into the same situation. So many other offenders fall into that direction in life. He's very little support at home. Sees no way out of the situation that he's in, so he decides to rob the store and get some money. Did the wrong thing. And if his story decides to be what I believe is the right reason. He's trying to help his mom out, pay some bills, keep the lights on. Certainly there are better ways to go about doing that. And I hope at the time in jail, Mr. Fontanet said, we've got options here. Just we can put him on probation. Certainly, he's on the road. If this conduct continues, he's on the road. I don't know. The day is the best time to make that exit for him. He's got a long life. Send him to prison for a few years, come back out, get the help that he needs in prison. There are programs available on probation that if he's serious about turning like he says in PSI, those programs can help him. And if he does take advantage of those, it in turn would make the community a little bit safer. One less guy going around with a gun when he does get out of prison. That was the road that you chose to take. Plan on living home with his mom. I think he has some younger siblings there. To his benefit, before he was even arrested, he started GED. I think on the night that this happened, had just finished a GED class. Made a dumb decision. These guys he should not have been hanging out with, and did this robbery. Again, Judge, you've got two out of prison. Send him to prison. Try to get him some probation, and hopefully he will take advantage of that. Certainly, we're going to know pretty quick, and you'll have another chance to send him to prison, probably for a longer time.
Right. Thank you. What is the status of the other two? Are there co-defendants? Have they been charged?
They have been charged. I have both of their cases.
And they have not been sentenced yet or anything like that. All right, go ahead, Mr.
Yeah, I'll be brief. It's the Pine Club apartment, Rogers Park, a Speedy Mart. You've seen this, and we've seen this in this community. I'm preaching to the choir. Prayer vigils, advisory committee. stuff's fine, but you judge where the rubber meets the road. You are that person that can protect the community from somebody like this defendant. You are that person that can either let him walk out on probation with a piece of paper, with conditions and promises that he won't resort to this kind of violence that you saw on that video, or ensure the community is safe by putting him behind steel bars, concrete wall, and razor wire fence. Judge, I'm just asking. I'm not in the habit of begging. On behalf of this community, I'm begging you send this defendant to prison. The message needs to be sent to this defendant and his circle of friends, and anybody who would want to be like this defendant is you pick up a gun with intent to commit violence. You're gonna pick up a 15, 20, 25 year prison sentence. And I'm just asking that you do this on behalf of live at the Pine Club apartment. Just want to live at peace. People want to go take a walk Rogers Park and not be robbed. Somebody at a speedy mark convenience store, pick up some snacks without victim of a robbery. That's all I have, Judge.
Thank you, Mr. Coleman. So, Mr. Fontenette, there was a time some years ago that there really wasn't even a question. Everyone, state's attorneys were recommending youthful offenders, probation. Let's give everybody an opportunity. And things have just changed in such incredibly dangerous way with young people doing what I just saw you do on that screen. I cannot imagine the fear that person had that was working in that store, that he now has just trying to go to work, make a living and go home. And he has three people come in, not just grab a little quick something and run out, but terrorize him for quite some time. Pulling him around, yanking him around, putting guns in his face, all three of you. I also, in addition to the PSI, jail incident reports. And you apparently like to fight, which is what's been happening in the jail. So it makes it very difficult for me to go, this is somebody that's going to get out and behave, who can follow the rules, because you can't even follow the rules in jail. And the precinct's report shows that you're a high risk level, which tells me that after they've looked at everything that you don't have unfortunately a good likelihood of being successful if I were to put you on probation. And Mr. Coleman's right. We're tired of it. And there's got to be something done. In cause number 25 DCCR 1759, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. I'm going to find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. And I'm going to find you guilty of aggravated robbery. I'm going to sentence you to a term of 25 years in the institutional division. Going to sentence you to a term of 25 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence you've been in custody, that the law gives you the right to receive. I'm handing you the trial court certification. This was not an agreement. You have some rights to appeal. I have also handed you a written admonishment regarding ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. You can talk to Mr. Rojas about questions you have about that. I am making an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon. Mr. Fontenette, I understand that this is harsh, and I know you believe this is harsh, but I think this is necessary. I hope that you go and you make things right. You can get out of prison. You're still going to be young. You can make your life better.